Today we're talking about Vivo's new flagship, the Vivo X300 Pro. From design to performance, this phone is making some serious noise. Talking about the build, it comes with a stunning glass body and aluminum frame. That feels absolutely premium in hand. On the display side, we have a large 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate, making every scroll and animation feel smooth and responsive. It also offers up to 4,500 nits of peak brightness, which means you can use it comfortably even under bright sunlight. Vivo has packed the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset built on 3nm technology, giving top-level performance for gaming or multitasking. The phone also offers up to 1 TB of internal storage and 16 GB of RAM. Coming to the cameras, and honestly, this is the real highlight. The main sensor is a 50MP Sony LYT, paired with a huge 200MP telephoto lens and a 50MP ultra-wide camera. On the front, you get a sharp 50MP selfie camera for crystal clear shots. Vivo has also added a new action key on the side, which you can customize for quick actions, like opening the camera or launching an app. The X300 Pro packs a solid 6,510 mAh battery that easily lasts all day, and it supports 90W fast wire charging, along with 50W wireless charging. Overall, the Vivo X300 Pro is a perfect combination of power and innovation. It's easily one of the most impressive phones Vivo has launched this year.